Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Italian Makes It. Today I'm gonna make sunflower boots. So cute! Yay! I'm gonna make another pair of boots. This time a taller version. And I'm so excited. I'm so excited to try this. I made a prototype. Here it is. And I've realized a few things that could be changed. Like I've used the same pattern that I created for the fluffy gnome shoes, but obviously I modified it because I wanted them taller. I didn't want the fluff to cover the back, so it was it was going to be more exposed, so I had to find different ways of doing things. And that's one of the reasons why I made this blanket stitch all around the edge, just to tidy it up and just make it look nicer. But what I'm going to do, the base is the same, the template is the same that I've used, and this is the same template that I've used for the toe cap. The difference of what I'm going to try to do now is I'm not going to use a thick card, because on the prototype, as you can probably see, has got loads of ridges because it doesn't bend too well. And because this is not going to be decorated, or is not going to have anything else to distract you from the texture, I need something a little bit smoother. So I'm going to use a thinner card to hold the back. And also the toe cap, I came up with an idea, and I thought every time I was making the foil balls for the toe cap, they were always different sizes, and I thought, that's not gonna work. And it's always a bit difficult to recreate it, and they always came up a little bit shorter. So I came up with an idea, and what I'm going to be using is this. This is a measuring cup, and this is a third cup. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put foil inside, squish it down so it gets the shape of the cup, and then fill it with like recycled material, like packaging material, and I'll just put it inside, then wrap it up, close it, and that is going to be my toe cap. Also, another difference from how I made them before I put the toe cap, glued it onto the sole, and then put the felt on top. This time, what I'm going to do, as the felt is it's quite stretchy, I'm going to glue it first to try to make it as neat as possible at the front, and then stretch it over the toe cap and see if that works out. So I hope you like it. Oh, let's see how we get on. So let's make the boots. I'm going to show you all the material, and I'm going to put it together, and I'll see you after. ready. They're finished. I'm very pleased with them. Have a look at that. Oh my God. Oh, I hope you like them. They came out really, really well. I'm really pleased with them. And now what we need to do is just the finishing touches. So as you can see, I've done a blanket stitch all around it just to decorate it a little bit. I bought these lovely eyelets. Look, can you see them? They're so cute. They're a little bit tricky to put on and I've broken a few, my usual, but it worked. So I'm happy as long as you pierce the hole, put them in. But if you've got better tools, then happy days. It's gonna work. So what we're gonna do now, I am going to put the trim and cover the sole as well because this is a bit messy. We don't want it to look like that. And I've decided I'm gonna use this color. I've got grey felt, which is thicker than the one I've used to make the boots and is a little bit sturdier, so that hopefully should work really, really well to do the sole and the trim around it. Also, I've traced the sole onto the felt and then I cut it. So now all we need to do is glue it onto the sole of the boots. Let's do that. This is 1 centimeter and I've made it really, really long, but you probably need about 40 centimeters, there or thereabout. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna glue it at the back and then go around and tidy up all of the edges. I'm pleased with them. I hope you like them. Look at that little trim. Oh, proper little boots. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to decorate them because they're a little bit too plain for my liking. But if you like them like this, then you can leave them like that. I've made these little sunflowers with felt and the video is going to come out. So if you want to check out how to make them, the video is going to be out soon. And also I made these little flowers. They're so cute and adorable. Look at them. Oh, with crochet. They're so simple. So simple. I've got so much wool. Don't know what to do with it. So I've decided to make some of these. Always like all in the shades of orange and yellow to keep with the sunflower theme. And I'm going to decorate the boots. And yet again, there's going to be another video. I'm going to post it very soon about how I made these, but so easy. If you can crochet, or even if you're a beginner, and even if you're a beginner, they're so easy to make. It's going to be a doddle. I've also made these, which I'm going to use them to decorate the boots, just to give it a little bit of contrast of colors. And these are really easy. You make a chain, and I made 15, and then I went back up onto the chain with a I've learned crochet in using the US terminology, so it's all a little bit messed up. And so you do a single crochet in US terminology, and you go back up, and then you do a chain of 10, same again, single crochet all the way up, and then I did 5 and single crochet on the way up, and it curls. It naturally curls. So cool. I love it. So I made 2 of these, and now let's glue it. Let's glue it all together. So I need to be careful because what I want to do, I want to put them on the outside. So I need to make sure I don't put them on the same side on all the boots, because otherwise it's going to look odd. But let's glue this. I'm gonna try to see the position, how I want to do it. So I think I would like it to be there. The big sunflower is gonna be in the corner like that, and then I can do one little flower there and a little flower there. Yeah, I think I'm happy with that. So let's glue it. Let's go for it. Not messing about. And I think I'm happy with that. Let's try to reproduce it on the other boot. So they need to be on this side. The boots are now ready. They're all decorated. I'm so pleased. They came out really, really well. I really like them. Look at the decoration. I hope you like it. And look at the boots. Oh, so cute and adorable. I cannot wait to use them for my next project. Look at that little decoration. I hope you can see it. And look at these boots. So happy, and I'm so pleased that the new technique actually worked really, really well. And the toe caps are the same, they're the same size, they're proper full. It's brilliant. I am so chuffed and pleased with it. So they turn out to work, and also the thinner card for the back, it works better. I had to trim it a little bit more because it was getting in the way of the eyelets, but not major. It's just like you can always cut it when you put it on. So before you glue the sides, just have a look and just trim what you need. Job done. I hope you like my little booties. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. And if you have, why not give me the thumbs up? It really helps the channel to grow. And also, why not subscribe and hit the bell so you can receive the notifications on when the next video is out. So you can see what I'm going to be using these boots for. And also, as I said, the video for the little sunflower and the crochet flowers is going to be out very shortly. So why not check that out? Thank you so much for watching. Take care for now. Bye bye.